Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we've created a device specially designed for inflating balloons, and it works incredibly well. As you can see, it's inflating the balloon perfectly. So let's dive into how this device is made. We're using an air vacuum motor in this setup, along with a drip pipe attached to it. It's important to use a good quality drip pipe to avoid any issues during operation. Once you have the right pipe, carefully cut it to the required size using a pair of scissors. The next step is to carefully connect it to the vacuum motor. Make sure the joint is tight and secure so that no air escapes during operation. For this setup, we'll need 2 vacuum motors, and each one should be fitted with the same type of drip pipe. After that, we'll connect both pipes by inserting them into a slightly larger pipe that fits over them. To ensure a firm and airtight seal, we'll use a glue gun to secure the joint properly. So friends, as you can see, we've applied the glue very carefully and thoroughly to ensure that there are no gaps or loose spots. This helps to make the connection completely airtight, preventing any air from leaking out. The next step is the wiring, which is actually very straightforward and easy to follow. We've kept the wiring process simple, so that even beginners can understand it. You can clearly watch each step in the video, where I've explained everything in detail to make the process as smooth as possible. We've taken a battery holder, which we'll be connecting to our vacuum motor. Along with that, we'll also need a lithium battery to power the setup effectively. You can use a lithium battery from any fully damaged laptop. So friends, now we're bringing in the cardboard, which will act as the main base for assembling all our components. It's important to choose a sturdy piece of cardboard to ensure proper support and durability. We'll be using a glue gun to carefully and securely attach each part to the surface. Make sure to apply the glue evenly and firmly so that everything stays in place during operation. A well-built foundation like this will help the device function smoothly and last longer. Now we'll be using a drill machine to carefully make 2 holes in the board. These holes are necessary for fitting or passing through specific components, and it's important to drill them accurately to ensure everything aligns properly during the assembly. Once the holes are made, we'll place the vacuum motor and battery inside the setup. After positioning them correctly, we've guided the pipe out through one of the holes to complete the airflow path. In the second hole, we'll be installing a switch to control the power supply to the vacuum motor. It's important to fix the switch firmly so it stays in place during use. Once it's installed, we'll move on to the wiring. Apply heat sleeves to the wires for insulation in this step. Make sure the connections are neat, secure, and properly insulated to ensure both safety and reliable performance. We use a glue gun to attach a plastic ring securely, followed by fixing the balloon holder in place to complete the assembly. This setup allows us to inflate multiple balloons with ease. Here's one of them as an example. So friends, we've now attached the balloon to the device, and as you can see, the balloon is securely in place. Next, we'll power it on using the switch. It's performing exceptionally well. The air is being filled smoothly and steadily, without any interruptions or leaks. This clearly shows how efficient and well-built our device is when it comes to inflating balloons, making the entire process quick and effortless. Now, let's attach a second balloon and try filling it with a bit of extra air to test the device's capacity and performance under slightly higher pressure. As you can see, the device has done an impressive job. The balloon was filled so efficiently that it eventually burst due to the pressure. That shows just how powerful and effective the system is. Share your thoughts in the comments and leave a like. See you in the next video. Goodbye, friends.